This time of year, a lot of people have a lot of questions about what kind of tire works best on their vehicle. A general all-season tire will always be able to get you probably through most of winter driving in Spokane, but sometimes you're going to need a little bit extra help. So on an all-season tread, it is designed to be used in the winter and in the summertime. So the siping is different, the tread itself is different, but when you want to get that extra grip, that extra jump off the line, you're definitely going to want to move over to an actual snow tire. Snow tires are designed to be used in winter months and winter temperatures, and the siping is completely different. It's almost like they open up and they just grip the ground and give you traction. So honestly, a lot of times, even if you have an all-wheel drive vehicle, we will recommend putting an actual snow tire on your vehicle for the best and most performance safety wise. And we always offer competitive pricing and a huge selection, usually within 1 to 2 days, even if it's a hard tire to find. So we would love to earn your business up here at Wendle Nissan Service.